Good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, and I am making magic coffee whipped cream. I've been wanting to do this for a really long time now. I got this idea from Emmy, made in Japan. You should really check out her YouTube channel. I'll leave the link in the description on this video. I love her. She's terrific. What you need to make magic whipped coffee with is 1 cup of sugar, and you need 1/3 cup of instant coffee. Mix the coffee and the sugar together, and then add 2/3 cup of really cold water. And that's it. Place your bowl into your mixer and turn this on high for 3 minutes. Okay, it's been 3 minutes. And it works. Look at that. Look at this. So now what you do is you take it. Holy moly, this is the neatest thing ever. I guess that's why they call it magic coffee whipped cream. Oh, Emmy, you are my hero. It's Emmy, made in Japan. She's adorable. So we're going to put a little bit of coffee on our brownie. Take a little bite. Oh my God. It's only 7 o'clock in the morning. And I'm so happy. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can use a hand mixer, and that should be just fine. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll be back later. Have a great morning, and thanks for watching. Bye.